Hi everyone. So I know it's been a while. I hope everyone's doing well through this pandemic and winter freeze. But I wanted to do an unboxing that I just received. And right now I've got my cat here kind of helping too. So if you're interested in seeing what's this item is, just please continue watching. Okay, so now that I've got Lily in her box over there, she's content. I'll go ahead and get started with the unboxing. There's the receipt from the Louis Vuitton store. This was an order that I had to place because I couldn't actually order it at the time. When I saw this item on the fashion show that they did for the Spring Summer 21 women's collection, I instantly was hooked to this bag, and I was interested in getting a different color than what I received or wound up purchasing. And I wanted to get the bigger version, but I wasn't sure. So I saw this at a Instagram posting at the New York store at Macy's Herald. Thank you, LV New York City, for your help with this. But I went with the PM version instead of the MM version. And so it just arrived, and I wanted to do a video of an unboxing, but it looks so beautiful. The color that I really wanted for the Cousins bag, I guess is how you say it. That's how I say it anyway. Was the silver. The silver was just so gorgeous on the runway. But as I looked at it and thought, well, will it be practical for me? Even though it does look beautiful on some of the Instagram models that were gifted some of these bags. I just went with the black. Just automatically, it feels heavy. But that's probably because the chain handle and the strap handle are within the bag. So let's get those items out here. There we go. Got that. And the chain handle as well. So just the bag on its own is very light, but yet it has some substance to it because, you know, it's under the description or details of the bag, it's lambskin is what they're describing it, with some other materials, but I wasn't sure if the PM version is going to be the size for me, but I think this is going to work. So I am going to get it together. Give me a second, and we'll see how this looks with all the straps on. Okay, so I've added the straps. I put them both within this area or section of the metal or the strap holder there, and it looks so beautiful. You know, right now I'm not dressed fully well. I'm at home. I'm working from home. I'm dressed very casually in my home attire, and I'm not quite set up to do a modeling shot, which I rarely do anyway. So I hope this video is very helpful for those that are interested in purchasing this gorgeous bag in the other colors that are available, or in this particular color. But I love it. I think I went with the right size. I'm gonna try and put some items in that I would normally use, and I think it's a good to go for me, where I don't need the MM version. This PM version of the Cousins bag is going to be a good fit for me. But anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Send them to me, and I'll try my best to answer them. Or if you're interested in purchasing the bag, I think it's going to come out on their website fairly soon. I think in 2 days. Or maybe you can find a store that actually has one on hand, like I was able to locate, and get assistance through the sales associate there, the SA. So again, I'm in love. So good luck. Have a great day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.